Hello everyone, welcome to Family Tree Maker Support, the best place for genealogy program support. Here, you will get all the videos related to genealogy program issues and their solutions. So, if you love genealogy and using any genealogy program, then subscribe to the channel right now and hit the bell icon. Ancestry DNA testing is one of the best ways to get correct information about your ancestors' history. That's why a lot of people choose Ancestry DNA so that they can get the most correct information. In this video, I'll tell you how to get an Ancestry DNA kit and activate it easily. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. How to purchase Ancestry DNA. First, open your Ancestry account using a username and password, then click on the DNA option from the menu. You can directly go to ancestry.com/DNA. As you click on the Ancestry DNA option from the DNA menu, it will show you 3 different options to purchase it. Choose any one option that suits you. As you click any one option, it will redirect to you a new window where you can add the membership for the DNA kit and purchase it. To purchase the Ancestry DNA, just click on the process to check out the option given in the right top corner. As you click on the process to check out, it will show you the given window where you can add the DNA kit and payment method. It will show you the payment option. Enter your card details and click on the process to check out button. You can also use an Ancestry coupon if you have to get an extra discount. This is how you can easily purchase an Ancestry DNA kit. How to activate your Ancestry DNA kit. To activate your Ancestry DNA, simply sign into your Ancestry DNA account and click on Activate a Kit. As you click on Activate Ancestry DNA, it will redirect to a new window where it will ask for whom you register this kit, like myself, my minor child, and someone else. Select any one of the options. After this, it will show a new window where you can check registered at a glance. Then click on the Get Started button. After this, enter the 15-digit code that you get in your Ancestry DNA kit. This is how you can activate your Ancestry DNA kit. I hope you like this video. If you have any issues with your Ancestry DNA login, then contact us at our toll-free number 1-800-410-2443. Apart from this, you can also use our free live chat support service. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.